I'm going to tell you something which will blow your mind. So, in the 18th and 19th century, the signs of classic beauty, pale skin, rosy cheeks, being quite thin, were actually signs of someone who had tuberculosis. Back then, this disease was not curable and it was actually romanticized to a great extent. Today, I'm going to review Everything is Tuberculosis by John Green. You would have obviously heard of him because he's written some really popular books. However, this is totally different. Now, when you think of TB, what comes to your mind? Maybe someone coughing. So imagine how shocked I was when I realized that 1.2 million people every year lose their lives to this disease. It is one of the top 10 diseases across the world. The worst part is that there are ways to test TB, there are ways to cure it. However, the places where it's very prevalent, healthcare just does not reach in time. This book is written through the eyes of Henry, a 16-year-old who lives in Sierra Leone, which is an area which is very badly impacted by TB. The author himself went there and he saw how, because of poverty, the lack of healthcare, the lack of facilities, Henry is really suffering and struggling. Of course, there is also a very positive note in the book in terms of, healthcare coming in, countries funding it, his mother's love, and just, people who keep him going, and of course, his own positive attitude. This book is informative without being too clinical. The thing about John Green is because he also creates a lot of content on YouTube, he's very conversational in his writing. The research that he has done in depth, that is absolutely fantastic. One thing I would recommend is when you're reading the book, put in a little timeline, right? Because the book kind of goes back and forth with what's happening right now, a lot of examples from India, from Africa, but also the history of TB, how it impacted the author's life, what used to happen earlier in Europe. So just put down a little timeline to help you understand. And this is such a phenomenal read. You need to read this and just understand how badly this disease is impacting the world globally. And I'm definitely going to read more about this in India next.